Dollar Tree is a great place to find small storage options for $1.25. So they have these collapsible bins right here. So they fold flat like that. And then this is how you start to open them up. And then you just like click them into place. They have them in two colors. They have shoe storage. So you could put these on your door and your closet, different things like those. They came in basic colors. These hangers, I love these. The colors are so nice. And you can hang like scarves, you can hang belts, you can hang ties, you can do all kind of different things. And they even have them in that form right there. They say belt hangers, but again, you can hang different things on them. More collapsible ones, so you can use these when you want, and when you don't, you can fold them. You can see how small they can go, so you can put these under your bed. Just a lot of different options for a lot of these storage, and you can see they come in the basic colors, no like bright colors, things like that. Just basic colors that'll fit in with a lot of different spaces and things. They have over the door hooks. These right here I love because you can hang several different things in a small. These are expandable. They have regular over the door hooks. And again, all $1.25. These right here, another compact one that you can hang a lot of different things on. They need to be cute for accessories and stuff like that. These, they have more of these, I'll show in a second, but you can organize your kitchen cabinets, kitchen shelves. These caddies, great for craft rooms. This is how the bin looks when it's all, put together. These, if you find these are great. They are stackable, and then the little holes, you can attach them together on the sides there. Tons of bins. So these are great for pantries, all kind of different things. The holes, so they have ventilation for organizing your closets. You can put labels on them. Just a ton of great storage option. These are great for like classrooms, kids' playrooms, different things like that. And these come in like, the bright colors. And again, these are stackable. You see the little feet on the bottom and little holes on the top, so you can stack those up. These storage bins, so colors change throughout the season. These right now are the summer colors, but you can still find some spring colors. They have other colors. So as the seasons change, you grab those. These are great for the pantry because they have the handles. You can pull those out when you organize your stuff. These are great, like great for kids' playrooms, just a bunch of different things, craft rooms, all kind of things. And a lot of these sizes will fit on the cube shelves. These are great to organize drawers, and they're nice because they're clear, so you can put the little knickknacks. These I love. They come in different shapes, but they have the little grip bottom, so your things don't really slide around. Those come in a pack of two, and then these right here, these are the longer ones, so you can configure them how you like. These come in the same basic colors, and you can organize your underwears, your socks, different things like that with these right here. And you can see they have 14 little compartments in those. More bright spring summer colored ones right here, and then you can see the rest of the cabinet organization ones, so you can put your spices and stuff on those are the ones we saw with pot tops and stuff. Organize your mugs. These are the spring colors that they still have. If your Dollar Tree has them, you might be able to find them. But I love the spring colors because it's like a neutral, it's like an in between. But yeah, just a ton of storage options at Dollar Tree. And like I say, all for $1.25. If you want to organize those closets, the pantries, even laundry baskets that'll match with it, your laundry room, you can organize. They even have trash cans right there that you can see. And this cube storage bins, they'll come out with different prints throughout the year. This one was ripped, but I have some in my house that have held up for the longest time. I just use the basic color ones, but they have ones that come out throughout the year. So yeah, you might want to head over to Dollar Tree and see what yours has for organization right now.